How to rewind and forward more than 10 seconds on YouTube app. The first step is to open the YouTube app on a device. Once the YouTube app opens on a device, you have to click on the U or profile icon that is on the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, click on the settings icon that is on the top right corner of the screen. Then click on General. Now you have to search the option that reads out double tap to seek. Once you spot it, click on it. Now you'll be given options number from 5 to 60 and you can choose any. Here, for instance, I'm choosing number 20. Now go back to your home page and click on any video to check if you can rewind or forward your video more than 10 seconds or from the number you've chosen from. After you choose the video, just double tap on the right to forward it and double tap on the left to rewind it. So this is how you can forward and rewind your YouTube videos more than 10 seconds. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our YouTube channel.